This interactive prediction tool predicts water saturation for different dominant pore types at given porosities and resistivities, using the Archie equation. Input areas are marked by yellow background color. Water saturation is controlled by RW, RT, N, porosity and pore types, and can be predicted by dragging the porosity slider and entering values for RT, RW and N. More accurate control on porosity input can be achieved by entering the porosity value in the cell to the right of the slider, or by using the up-down arrows. RT is the true in situ formation resistivity obtained from deep resistivity logs. RW is the resistivity of the formation water and is either obtained from formation water samples or estimated from wireline logs. N is the saturation exponent. The cementation factor M is automatically calculated based on empirical relations between M, pore types and porosity as presented in CARP. The predicted water saturations for the different pore types are given in the bar chart to the left and in the table to the right. By hovering the cursor over the black pore type box in the top of the screen, an explanation of the pore type codes is given. The prediction tool can only handle one input sample at the time. Multi-data entry is available from the right yellow frame. We first select the Multi-Data Entries radio button. A new radio button selector appears with the choice of Demo or Licensed. The demo version has no functionality but is available with a standard subscription. In the full licensed version, licensed companies have access to their own private tool. This preserves data security. The licensed version requires a premium subscription. Let's take a look at the licensed version. A valid licensed company name has to be entered into the text box. We then press the Go button. The tool opens in a new tab in your web browser. The first worksheet gives some introductory instructions. The prediction tool follows in the next worksheet. Input data cells have a yellow background color, whereas the prediction data are given in cells with green background color. Only yellow cells can be edited. All other cells are locked. We first enter or paste data into columns B to D. Data entries into column A is optional. RW and N can be entered into cells B2 and B3. We will use the default values for now. The predicted water saturations and oil saturations are given in columns F and G and are based on the Archie equation. The cementation factor M, which is part of the Archie equation, has been automatically calculated based on global empirical relations between M, pore types and porosity. The calculated M values are given in column E.